In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Firefox AI-powered link previews on Hover so you can instantly preview what a page is about before you even open it. This is a really useful feature if you want to save time, avoid clicking random links, and quickly decide whether a page is worth opening. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tips just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Firefox on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the menu button. This is the three-line icon that gives you access to all of Firefox's main settings. From the menu, click Settings. This will open the Firefox settings page, where you can change browsing features, privacy options, and interface preferences. Next, in the settings sidebar, click Tabs and Browsing. This is where Firefox keeps a lot of its tab behavior and page navigation options, including the feature we need for AI-powered link previews. Now scroll down until you find the section called Page Navigation. This is the area where Firefox groups browsing tools that affect how links behave when you interact with them. Here, you want to tick Enable Link Previews. This turns on the preview feature itself, allowing Firefox to show you a quick summary when you interact with a link. After that, tick Allow AI to read the beginning. This is the setting that lets Firefox use AI to analyze the first part of the page and generate helpful key points. That means instead of guessing what a page is about, you get a smarter preview based on the content. Then tick Shortcut, click and hold. This sets the action you'll use to trigger the preview. With this enabled, you can simply press and hold a link for about 1 second to activate the hover preview style feature. Once those options are turned on, go to any link on a web page. It can be a news article, a blog post, a product page, or almost any supported link. Then press and hold the link for 1 second. After that, Firefox will activate the AI-powered preview. What happens next is pretty impressive. Firefox will read the beginning of the page and generate key points for you so you can quickly understand what the page is about without fully opening it. This is great for research, shopping, reading articles, and browsing faster in general. If you want to use this feature often, it can really change the way you browse. Instead of opening 5 or 6 tabs just to find the right one, you can preview first and click only the best result. That keeps your browser cleaner and your workflow much faster. So just to recap, open Firefox, go to the menu, click Settings, open Tabs and Browsing, scroll to Page Navigation, enable link previews, allow AI to read the beginning, and set the shortcut to click and hold. Then, long press any link for 1 second to see the AI-generated preview and key points. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.